Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day in Buena Barrow, New Jersey. And we're at 302 East Flower Street, and it's in the 08326 zip code. I have a fantastic property that I want to share with you. And just so you know, this property is being listed by one of my agents, Corina Mendoza, and you could have Corina's information right up here. That's her phone number if you wanted to make an appointment to see this property. You could also check out all the stats in the description below, but let me show it to you now. It's got 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and it's got a wide open bullpen, which I'm going to share with you right now. Wide open floor space, open concept, real nice. You have your family room to the right, window walled, has the southern exposure, eastern exposure, real nice. You can see that it easily fits a sectional couch. As you make your way this way, you see how nice the flooring is in this home. You have a huge area for your dining room table, and you have a center island where you could seat at least 3 here. So this is real nice to have this kind of space to prep and to have the family get-togethers. L-shaped countertop, and you have the kitchen cabinets, bright white, all real nice. And this is another really nice angle of the family room. You can see how much space there is. You have a half bath, which is the ultimate in convenience. And you have your washer and dryer right here. And you have a Hale HVAC system, which was installed in 2022. So it's only about 2 years old. So that's top of the line HVAC equipment. Outside, it's all fenced in. So you could have your pets here, and you could hear one of them right here, got a really nice German Shepherd. And you have your Heil compressor, natural gas here on the sidewall. Everything fenced in nice and neat here. Let's head upstairs, I'll show you that. Nice composite flooring. There's 3 beds and 2 full baths up here. The windows aren't new, they're replacement windows, but they're not all that old either. And they're the Tilton variety, very nice. We'll call this bedroom number 3. This bedroom, nice size, plenty of closet space. Bedroom number 2. We have a hall bath here, nice and neat, modern vanity, modern sink. And this one is the master bedroom, eastern to southern exposure, plenty of windows, nice flooring, everything buttoned up nice and neat. And right across the hall, you have a large closet, and you have this large bathroom suite here. Furniture grade vanity, double sink, everything real nice, well lit, everything that you need. If you really enjoyed the content of this video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you get alerted every time that we have a brand new listing, which is often here in South Jersey. Being the first to know gives you many benefits, gives you a better opportunity to win the bid. And don't forget, Corina Mendoza, she's my agent who has the listing here, and her phone number is in the description below. You can get more information about the property there as well. We have 3 beds, 2 full baths, a half bath on the downstairs, fully fenced rear yard, perfect for the kids and pets. You have this glorious open bullpen concept with the family room and kitchen, and it's 1,800 square foot approximately. And I have to give a disclaimer there that the tax record has that number incorrect, so don't go by that, but I'm given an estimated number of 1,800 square feet, which is a huge difference. You have a nice paved area here, parking pad for your cars, can fit 4 or so there, and there's more off-street parking. This property is located in Buena Barrow, the Landisville section. Landisville is really nice. It's a quiet, quintessential rural town. Public water and sewer, however, which makes it a bit of an anomaly, which is a great thing for you. And the taxes are amongst the lowest in South Jersey. Buena Barrow, Landisville, you can't beat it. 3 beds, 2.5 baths. I suggest that you make your appointment today. Give Corina a call, and you'll be able to check out this property. And if you love it, you can make the offer with Corina. And if there's something else that you'd want to see, she could show you anything in South Jersey. And as always, Corina Mendoza and Joe Wiessner, we hope to see you at the settlement table.